Hello, everyone. Today, I'll introduce to you all how to use the KD X4 key edition for Volkswagen and Audi vehicles. This is a 5D transponder key. The wires have been soldered in accordance with the wiring diagram. This 8-pin adapter board is the one being used. First, you need to upgrade this app to version 8.7, 1 or higher. Then the firmware version needs to be upgraded to 1.53 or higher. First, connect to the device. Click IMO Programming. Click IMO Programming. Then navigate to the corresponding path. OK. And this one is for 5C, 5D transponder keys. Start execution. Click Read the original car key and generate a dealer key. Open this wiring diagram. Locate the corresponding wiring diagram. This is the corresponding wiring diagram. You can refer to this hole. The wire corresponding to this hole should be connected and let out. There are 3 pins in the top row on the front side here. 3 points need to be connected. Then there are 2 points to be connected here. Connect to the corresponding points. After making the connection, the wire on this side should also be attached to the corresponding point. You can see the marked points on this side. After the connection is completed, just directly insert the key to be read. Then read the chip data. The data has now been saved on the cloud server. This is its service code. Then you can use this service code to generate a dealer key and then perform key learning. For key learning, you can use the KD X4 device. Key learning can also be done with the KD. Then there are 2 options here. This is the KD ZB Smart Key. If you want to use this option, only 5C is supported. Translation: if a 5D chip is used, the original vehicle key is a must for the convenience of our demonstration. So we have been using this one all the time. Then you need to properly connect the wires of the key to be added before inserting it. Select the original factory key after inserting it. Click Original Key Non-Vehicle. Click OK. Writing successful. After the writing is successful, you can restore the key and take it together with the original vehicle key to perform on-vehicle matching. The key learning function is required. If direct learning is not available, you also need to unlock the SFD to proceed. However, in general, vehicles produced after 2024 will need to have the SFD unlocked. Thank you for watching.